blizzard with such a sweet name, Stella, that hit the USA on the 14th of March 2017. Thousands of flights have been cancelled, as well as thousands of schools being closed. The snow has become extremely deep, in some cases 1 to 3 inches, even up to 4 inches per hour. That's a lot of snow. The blizzard hit New Jersey, the northeast side of America. New Jersey and other states like that also declared a state of emergency and ordered all the state employees who are not involved with the emergency response team to stay at home. Bad weather has always caused trouble everywhere it goes, so let's hope sweet Stella does not reach the shivering shores of Britain.